Hi, this is a quick video to show you how you can calculate correlation between two quantitative variables or fit a regression line to two quantitative variables using the TI-83. It's very similar in the TI-84 also. So let's see. The first thing we want to do before we start doing anything is we want to make sure that the diagnostics are turned on. That will make it so that you can actually see the correlation. If you don't turn it on, then what you will do is you'll get the equation for the line, but it won't have the correlation with it. So let's go to second, and then the catalog. Press the 0. And then we need to go all the way down. I'm just scrolling down till I get to diagnostic. Almost there. Diagnostic on. So then if I press enter and then enter again, it tells me that it's done. Okay, the next thing I need to do is I need to enter data into the calculator. So to do that, I go to stat, edit. So it's already at edit, so I can press enter. And now I need to enter my data into this list. So if I already had some data and that I wanted to clear out of here, I could go up to the list and then press clear and then enter, and it'll clear out the list. Don't press delete, because delete will get rid of list 1, and that's not what we want to do. Okay, so I'm going to fit a line to using the percentage of calories that a mouse eats during the day, which is the day percent, and the amount of weight that the mouse gained. So I'm going to enter these. I've got 31.06, enter 41.40, enter. So I'm entering all the day percent into list 1. That's going to be my X variable. 47.53, and so on. I'm going to keep doing this for the whole thing. But I'm going to pause it while I do, and you can enter yours. Okay, so now that I've got those entered in there, so now that I have the day percent entered in list 1, I need to enter the amount of weight gained for each of those into list 2. So I come over to list 2. And now I need to enter the corresponding body mass gain. So I need to make sure they're in the same order so that I've got the pairs together. 5.02, 6.67, enter. And again, I'm going to stop this and you can enter them yourself while I do the same. Okay, so now I have my X variable, day percent, entered in list 1. And body mass gain, my Y variable, entered in list 2. Now, in order to get the calculation for the regression line and for the correlation, I press stat again, and I go to calc, so I go across, and then I need to go down until I get to the linear regression line. So I'm going to use linear regression line in the form ax plus b. So a is going to be my slope and b is going to be my intercept. I need to make sure I tell it which lists have my x and y variables in them. So I go select list 1, comma, and then my y variables in list 2, and then enter. And it shows me, here's A is the slope of my regression line, B is my intercept, R is my correlation, and R squared is the correlation squared. It tells us how much of the variation in Y is explained by the linear relationship with the variable X. This is how we can get the correlation and the equation for the regression line with the calculator. That's the end of my video.